Hey Teelings, I am so sorry, and I also apologize for my lack of wardrobe, like not looking yeah, spiffy, and my cheeks look really red, and I look like crap because I am not feeling well at all, and I am so sorry that I haven't posted any videos, and I'm sorry if my voice sounds low or quieter than normal. You might have to really turn it up because I'm losing my voice. So yeah. So basically, where I been? Like I said, I haven't been feeling well, and I just kind of just was too focused on other things in life, and I do sincerely apologize for that. And honestly, I love and look forward to reading any of the comments I get. You guys are awesome, and I love you all so much. And I am so sorry. Please forgive me for not posting a video. And if you want to move to my mouth, it's a freaking cough drop because I'm dying. But yeah, I love you all so much. Please take care of yourself, especially with like the recent cold slash flu going around. It seems. Please take your vitamins, drink lots of tea, just make sure you're healthy and stuff. And if you're not feeling well, I'm joining you in the small little club that we hopefully all both or get out of eventually. Also, I would love to see. Pardon, that was my phone. I would love to see anything like any comments that you guys um basically what you guys would like for more videos, because I already did a few requests and I was wondering if you guys had any more. If not, I'll look through the comments again and see what I can find. So I love you all. Please take care of yourself and others. Have a great day, month, year, birthday, weekend, whatever. Um, so yeah, I'm sorry for the crap quality and everything. So I'm gonna go now, and because I am a tired teapot. So yeah, love you all. Mwah. Bye.